Hi, Skin Games. It's me, Kisha Hamilton from Goodyear, Arizona. I own the review, and this is week 2 of my open medical category with my model Yuritsi. And so, as we talked about, Yuritsi has seborrheic dermatitis and acne that's been diagnosed from a dermatologist. For our treatment plan, after meeting with a dermatologist, I decided to do a more gentle approach to her skin, something like chemical peels. It works like chemical peels, but it's actually ampules that I'll be using that includes active ingredients as well as colloidal gold. And colloidal gold is the main ingredient in this ampule that I will be using. It's gentle enough to where we can use it every week for 8 weeks. And so I'm excited about seeing the results that we'll get from this treatment plan. And I will also be including blue light therapy to really just help kill bacteria and just really help to restore the skin barrier. We'll be incorporating Hale and Hush products for her home care. So I wanted to do something that was going to include a lot of botanical ingredients, more plant-based, because of the irritation that she's feeling in her skin, as well as the erythema that we're seeing from the acne flare-ups, as well as the seborrheic dermatitis, more so in her T-zone area and on her cheeks as well. So I wanted to just make sure that we had some products that were going to keep her skin calm, as well as clean and hydrated. We're also going to include 2 IV treatments. I want to do 3, so if we're able to squeeze in 3, we will. But for the most part, we will have at least 2 IV treatments, and those IV treatments are going to be are going to include ingredients like vitamin C, glutathione, and zinc. And so I wanted to use those 3 ingredients specifically because all 3 of those help with to rebuild the immune system in the skin, will help to allow for the skin to heal faster. So I'm really looking forward to her results. I'm expecting about a 50% difference in her skin and to completely alleviate the irritation that she's feeling so that she will leave these treatments with no more itchiness and the seborrheic dermatitis completely gone from her skin. That is what my goal is. But as far as the acne, I want to be able to definitely get that controlled about 50%.